Hey guys, welcome to Peaks Workouts. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do a simple diamond push-up. A diamond push-up is a great bodyweight exercise that you can do to strengthen your muscles. But the real focus of this exercise is on your shoulders, your biceps, triceps, as well as your chest. The reason why it is called a diamond push-up is because of the placement of your hands whenever you're doing the push-up. Now let's get into it. The things to avoid whenever you're doing this push-up is try not to bend your elbows to the sides like this. This can cause injury in the long run. Instead, keep your elbows as close as possible to your chest whenever you're going down on exercise, and keep your back straight, your legs straight, and also avoid moving your hips up and down like this. I'm going to do a few reps to demonstrate to you how it is done. Keep that core tight as possible and move slowly if you want. And that's how you do a simple diamond push-up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Peaks Workouts. For me, Peaks Workouts, peace.